On the new GLE Coupe, we removed the trim of the tailgate. First, remove the bottom of the handle. Then remove the screws underneath. Now unclip the lower trim of the tailgate and you get access to the electrical connectors underneath. Disconnect them all and take the trim panel off. We continue with the middle panel. Remove the caps left and right and undo the screws underneath. Take the trim off carefully. This is followed by the screws on the underlying trim panel. These are located on either side of the tailgate. Once the screws are removed, unclip the center trim of the tailgate and take it off. To remove the upper right door trim, use a mounting wedge. The same goes for the top left trim. Finally, unclip the top center door trim and remove this too. Installation is in the reverse order.